Hey, what's going on, guys? My name is Trent Sowers here with All Things Automotive. Thank you for shopping and thank you for clicking that play button. Today we're going to take a look at a 2020 Chrysler Pacifica Touring. Clean Car Fax with just over 55,000 miles and a beautiful, brilliant white here, guys. We're going to walk around the vehicle, show you some of the awesome features, and this one does have plenty. Let's start in the front here, guys, with the high-intensity headlights. You do have fog lights integrated in the lower bumper. Beautiful front grille here, kind of black on black, very sporty here. And we go around to the wheels and tires here. Like new tires all the way around, 8/32. Okay. So this van's going to have a lot of features here, guys, so just bear with me as we go over. On the door card here, as you can see, you got leather, double white stitching here, some brushed aluminum accents. And inside, as you can see, you're going to have a nice sport seat here. Double white stitching with a premium cloth insert here. So nice seating, very clean interior all the way around. We're going to go ahead and take a look at the used car mechanical check sheet. 9/32 on the tires. Brake pads are good. Fresh oil change, new cabin air filter just for you. Alright, guys, let's put that Carfax up there for later. And we're going to just hit that. Door's going to come open. You do have captain's chairs in the middle here with a third row, obviously. And you do have some rear entertainment here as far as a DVD. Nice bright LCD monitor right there. So that's a very nice option there. Keep the kiddos occupied. Great for family vacations, all that good stuff. Just going to hit that button once. It's going to go up. Let's go around to the rear here. Again, I'm going to hit that button. It's going to go ahead and lift up for you. And as you can see, the third row there, seats do fold flat for extra storage space. And then you do have an automatic liftgate assist right here to the side. So we'll just stand back and watch the magic happen. Alright, same with this door here. All you have to do is just push that. That'll go right back. Very easy. Very convenient access. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 passengers, 1 driver. You'll be set to go. Great for taking the kids to soccer, wrestling practice, whatever. So let's take a look inside here, guys. On the key fob, as you can see, okay, you're going to have remote start, your lift gate, and it's going to access all the doors as well. And you're going to have access to all the door controls right here, up there as well. Sorry. All right. So nice graphics here in the middle console, or the middle clusters here. So you're going to have all your powered options here on your door. Okay, you do have powered seat options here. You do have heated seats and heated steering wheel as well. We'll get into that once we look at the Infotainment Center here. Obviously your brightness and dimming controls for your center clusters. You do have the ability to pair your phone via Bluetooth, and you can be hands-free. As you can see here, you have adaptive cruise control and your proximity controls right here. So that'll keep you safe on the road. And then you have over here your pad to control your center cluster here. Display all kinds of different information right there, guys. Alright, let's take a look at the center Infotainment Center here. Nice backup camera here. You're going to have a lot of different camera options here, guys. As you can see, you have a top view right here, 360 all the way around. You're going to have a rear cross path view, front cross path view, and then a front view, which is awesome. So you're definitely loaded up with a lot of safety gear, a lot of cameras. Okay, your shifter is going to be right here for you. And if you go to climate and controls here, you're going to see your heated seats and heated wheel. Okay, all powered by Uconnect right here, so you can definitely do a lot with this Infotainment Center here. Beautiful display. Here's your navigation there as well. So that's a very nice feature. Definitely a family mobile here, guys. Okay, you got your park assist right here, lane keep assist, auto start and stop right there. So a lot of nice features in this van here, guys. All right, in the middle here, you're going to have a lot of storage here. Looks like a 12-volt and USB down there. Keep everything charged, and you're actually going to have a little hideaway storage right there, which is very cool. 2 cup holders in the middle here with some storage for your phone. You do have armrests that come down. They are nice, wrapped in leather. Okay, double white stitching. Integrated garage door openers here. On the vanity, you do have lights on the driver's and the passenger side. Like I said, guys, there's just a lot. There's a lot to go over here. Okay, and like I said, you have your door controls mounted on the roof here. Okay, your powered mirror, rear view mirror here. So interior is very nice and clean here, guys. So let's take a look at the back. I want to show you the rear entertainment there. I'll keep this running for just a second because we're going to do the under the hood segment. I believe it's a 3.6 liter V6 powering this Pacifica. Again, just a touch of the button there. Love the captain's chairs. So that's going to flip down here. Okay. And you have your DVD insert right there. Nice monitor right there as well. So you'll be good to go. Keeping the kids and all your rear passengers occupied for the trip. Boy, I wouldn't mind taking this to the beach. Okay. You do have some rear climate control back here. Your rear passengers can control that. And you do have rear climate control accessible from the Infotainment Center, the touchscreen display there as well, guys. All right, we're going to take a look under the hood. If I can get it. All right, nice clean engine bay. No evidence of exhaust or oil leaks or anything like that. Nice sounding 3.6 liter V6 engine from Chrysler. Just a beautiful vehicle all the way around. As you can see, all the proximity sensors all the way around and some extra cameras. So this is definitely, they had safety in the forefront when they were designing this and putting all the gear in, especially for your family. This is a family mobile. Alright guys, I'm going to go ahead and shut off the van here. One thing I really like about this Pacifica is it doesn't have that van feel. It has that larger SUV feel, that sporty SUV for sure, as you can see here. But the last portion of the video, they are used vehicles here at All Things Automotive. They're not perfect. We like to make them as clean as possible, so we'll go around and show you any imperfections this vehicle may have. And obviously in the front, you have some stone chips, some slight blemishes here. You know, our guys are really great. They get a lot of it out, but some is just there. If you have any questions, feel free to give us a call. But this is our upfront and transparent portion of the video here. Okay, like new tires all the way around. Slight blemishes on the mirror cap here. Okay, I do see a little curb rash there on the wheel. Working our way down the passenger side. Everything looks clean. All the way up to the roof. I did look over this vehicle prior to filming. There's no scratches or blemishes on the roof or anything like that. There is a roof rack for luggage and all that good stuff. Okay, and obviously there's some blemishes on the back here. Obviously coming from loading cargo in and out. Working our way down the rear driver's side here. Everything looks okay. Even down to the bottom here. I do see a little dimple right there, but we fix all these in-house, okay? Our professional will be in and fixing these. This is on the driver's door here. You gotta really look close to see it, but there's a little dimple right there, and any dents or dings that we do see are repaired on site by our professional staff. So if you have any questions, give us a call here, 717-485-4224, hit option 1 for sales, or you can shop online, allthingsautomotive.com, and get yourself pre-approved. Now this vehicle it's gonna have some time left on the manufacturer's warranty, but ask your sales consultant about getting full coverage on this vehicle. Other than that, guys, come on out to 21518 Great Cove Road, McConnellsburg, Pennsylvania. And again, my name's Trent. Hope you found this video informational. Thanks and have a great day.